You were so sweet and kind. You were the only one on my mind. You made me laugh when I wanted to cry. Made me see life's worth when I wanted to die. With you is where I belong. I felt it so strong, the way we would flirt. I never thought I would hurt. I never wanted us to part, but you broke my heart. When we departed, I was shattered. I didn't care about my family, friends, nothing mattered. You were such a self-centered man. I tried the best I can to show you for sure that my love is pure. But now, all I need is guidance so I can love in silence.
My love, in you I saw my own design. Our love was divine. Most of the times we were more like Tom and Jerry. We fight in different ways. Some of them were scary. But I fell more in love with you every day. You would call me in the middle of the night just to say, I miss you, Barry J. That was crazy. But temptations couldn't wait that long. They came and they broke our bond. I tried. Baby, they tried. I tried to be a man and fight. You fell for the trap and catch the fly. I tried to stop you. But you already gone, boo. I loved you. I cherished you. I took care of you. You played me. You fooled me. I trusted you, boo. I never thought loving you was my only weakness. But I've seen it. You left me speechless. I miss you, my little dove. I'll never stop fighting. I'll brave the oceans and sail past the sirens to find my way back to you because you are my love.
Me
me.